friends, good morning all of you. I hope you all are doing great and learning this language great way. And friends, it's been a long, I'm so sorry I'm not able to make a video consistently because I got some work. And friends, if you want to learn English, then I just want to suggest you that practice daily, because consistency is very important. If you are not consistent, then you can't learn anything. It's not about learning English, it's about anything. Whatever you are learning, you need to be consistent. Because like suppose you learn one day for 2 hours or 3 hours, then you leave for 1 week, then how can you learn? Just give 10 minutes or 15 minutes every day, and you will definitely see good result after some days or some month. So if you are learning English, then you need to be consistent. And one more important things, that don't care about the people and don't afraid of making mistake. If you are thinking about the people, what will people think if I will make mistake, then you can't learn. Even you can't start learning, because you will always think about the people and you will think always about your mistake. So if you think like this, then you will never start speaking. Friends, English is not our mother tongue, so it will take time. Because even our mother tongue, what we do, how we learn, how child learn their mother tongue? First they start listening and they observe that how they are listening, and they later start speaking, and while speaking they make a lot of mistake. And even their parents and the people around, they try to teach them, and they also laugh when they make mistake, right? But they never stop learning, and one day they speak fluently. So in this way you should also start learning with listening, because listening is very important. I can say, because I started learning from listening. I used to listen same video multiple times, more than 5 times, 6 times. You can't believe, but some video I used to listen 10 times, because while working in the field and while cooking, whatever I was doing while learning, I used to listen a lot. And same video helped me to learn many vocabulary, to grab the sentence from their speaking. So that's why I used to learn same video, I used to listen same video multiple times. And while listening, I used to feel that I can speak, and later I try to speak, and I try to explain in my own words. So that's helped me a lot. And in the beginning I used to listen fairy tales a lot, and same fairy tales multiple times, and small fairy tales I used to listen, so that I can explain my friends, my co-learners. And in fairy tales, every fairy tales are different stories, so I learned different vocabulary, and that's really helped me. And whatever I was watching, I used to watch with subtitles, because in subtitles, if you watch, you will see how the sentence are framing, and you will see the pronunciations, and you will learn a lot of things, new vocabulary. So it's really helpful for me, it was really helpful for me. And still, if I watch any video, I try to watch with subtitles. Still I watched video with subtitles, because in subtitles I learned pronunciation and new vocabulary, how sentence are framing. And I know I'm making a lot of mistake while speaking, and especially in pronunciation and grammatical mistake too. And friends, so follow these tips, and definitely you will learn English one day, but you need patience and consistency. So keep learning, keep practicing every day, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.